Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 10. What is the unit name? The Banyan Tree. I have completed, means telling you the story of this unit in English and Hindi. Now comes to the exercise. Multiple choice question in part 1 and part 2 both. Here given the paragraph, and of this paragraph arranged the MCQs. See the paragraph. Though the house and the grounds belonged to my grandparents, the magnificent old banyan tree was mine, chiefly because grandfather at 65 could not longer climb it. Now comes to the MCQ. MCQ number 1. The speaker of the passage is an. Who is the speaker? Who said this? Lines. Child, young man, middle-aged man, old man. So here, talk about whom? Talk about the old man. And who talks it? So, grandparents said the grandparents belonged to my grandparents. So here, the speaker is a child. A child. Talk about his grandparents. Now comes to the second MCQ. The banyan tree was the speaker's because he had paid for it. Option A. Option B. He was the only one who spent his time on the tree. C. He had planted it. D. He looked after it. So, the banyan tree was the speaker's because the child was only the one who spent his time on the tree. So, B is the correct answer. Now comes to the third MCQ. The speaker's grandfather was at that time dead, young, old, middle-aged. Now speaker's grandfather. Talk about whom? Talk about the grandfather. So he was old man, not dead, but lived. How? Old man. So C is the correct answer. Comes to number 4. In the 4, a magnificent tree is supposed to be a magnificent tree. Which tree? Banyan tree. Is supposed to be small, mid-sized, tall, very tall. So, a magnificent tree. Banyan tree. How is the banyan tree? It's very tall. It was very tall. Now comes to number 5. The verb form of magnificent. Magnificent is the word. What is the verb form of this word magnificent? Magnify, magnitude, magnifier, magnum. So the word magnify is the verb form of magnificent. Then next is second paragraph. In the spring, when the banyan tree was full of small red figs, birds of all kinds would flock into its branches. The red-bottomed bulbul, cheerful and greedy, parrots, myna and crows squabbling with one another. During the fig season, the banyan tree was the noisiest place in the garden. This is the paragraph. Now, out of this paragraph, MCQs, 4 MCQs. Now the first MCQ. The passage has been taken from the lesson. Which lessons has this paragraph belonged? Tarot's reward, who, I am, fair play, the banyan tree. So students, the unit name is the banyan tree, and I am going to explain the MCQ of the unit 10, the banyan tree. So this passage is also has been taken from which lesson? Taken from the banyan tree. D option is the correct answer. Second MCQ, the author of the passage is, who has written this chapter, lesson? R.N. Tagore, Ruskin Bond, A.V. Lucas, Carol Moore. So this chapter has been written, means the author of this passage is Ruskin Bond. B is the correct answer. Comes to third. In the spring season, a tree is, here given in the paragraph, in the spring season, the A tree is at its best, at its worst, the birds with leaves fallen, dry and withered. Though in the spring season, when the banyan tree was full of small red figs, birds, all kind of flock into its branches. See, this season, how is at its base is the correct answer. In the spring season, it's a base season. Why? Because all the birds, colorful birds, came to there, and the place was very noisiest at that time in this spring season. Now comes to number 4. The fig season is the noisiest place because of the spring season, because of the speaker, the birds, the people. Fig season, the noisiest. Who make the noise? There, the birds. Different kinds of birds make the noise. So C is the correct answer. Then comes to next. In a clearing beneath the banyan tree, in bright sunshine, they came face to face. The cobra knew only too well that the grue mongoose, 3 feet long, was a super fighter, clever and aggressive. But the cobra too was a skillful and experienced fighter. This is the paragraph. Now see, here, they in the passage stands for persons, the speaker and a boy, a cobra and a mongoose, some animals. So see the passage here, talk about whom? A cobra and a mongoose. So option C is the correct answer. This passage stands for cobra and mongoose. Number 2, the cobra knew that mongoose was. The cobra knew that the mongoose was poisonous, weak, strong, a fighter. A mongoose was what? Superb fighter here. So mongoose was a fighter. Now 3rd, the fight was being watched by. Who was being seen this fight? Who watched this fight? 2 birds also, a crow, only the narrator, many person. See, super fighter. This fight, cobra and mongoose fight. Who see? 2 birds only, crow and myna. Only 2 birds could see this fight. 2 birds also. Now number 4, human beings are afraid of. Human beings are afraid of whom? Mongoose, cobra, both the cobra and the mongoose, neither. The human beings are afraid of whom? The snake. Who is the snake here? Cobra. Is very dangerous snake. So human beings are afraid of the cobra. Now number 4 completed. 5th, The noun form of aggressive. Aggressive. The noun form of this word aggressive. Agree, aggress, aggressions, aggrieved, aggro. So the noun form of this word aggressive is be. Aggression. Then next, here given the MCQ. Now see, the component word. The component word. The narrator and the boy. The mongoose and the cobra. A myna and a crow. The crow and the cobra. The components. Who are the components? Opponent. So B. B is the correct answer. Who fought mongoose and the cobra? They were the components. Number second, the components were unaware of the presence of. Who could see the fight? Who had been there? The crow, the myna, the narrator, a squirrel. The components were unaware. Unaware of whom? Unaware of the narrator. Because crow and myna could see, and they both could see that crow and myna, the mongoose and the cobra, could see these birds. But unaware of whom? Unaware of the narrator. Where he was? He was on the tree. And see that fight. Number third, the myna was able to see the outcome, unable to see the outcome, killed in the battle, or able to kill the snake. The myna was see this fight. So she was able to see the outcome. Number 4, the crow was. The crow was able to see the outcome, unable to see the outcome, killed in the battle, or able to kill the snake. So at the last, the crow was killed by whom? Killed by the cobra. Unfortunately, it was killed by the cobra in the battle between the mongoose and the cobra. So the crow was killed in the battle. Now number 5th, the word unaware is. Unaware, what is the word of this unaware is? Noun, verb, adjective, adverb. Here. So the word unaware is word unaware. See, here is also used. So this is the word is adjective. Adjective. This word is used as adjective. Then next, the crow and myna. The crow and myna were just fine. Here given the paragraph. The myna flew on and reached its perch, but the crow tried to pull up in mid-air and turn back. In the second that it took the bird to do this, the cobra whipped his head back and struck with great force, his sows thudding against the crow's body. So out of this paragraph here, MCQs. Now see, the crow and myna were just flying, were quietly watching the proceeding, were quarreling with each other, or wanted to take part in the proceeding. So the crow and myna, they wanted to take part in the proceeding. What? They wanted to take part in the proceeding, and unfortunately the crow was died. Bitten by whom? Bitten by the cobra and died. Now second, the two birds collided in mid-air, quarreled, reached their perches and died. So the two birds, the myna flew, reached in the perch, and the crow tried to pull up in mid-air and turn back. And second, that it took bird to this cobra, wiped his head back, struck in great force, his snout thudding against the crow's body. So the two birds collide in what? Mid-air. In mid-air. A is the correct answer. Then next, the crow. The crow was killed by the mongoose, was killed by the snake, survived the battle, and killed the myna. So the crow was killed by whom? Killed by the snake. B is the correct answer. Cobra was bitten to this crow, and the crow was killed by snake. Number 4. The passage has been taken from the lesson. Which lesson here I am discussed with you? The banyan tree. So the passage is taken from this lesson, the banyan tree. Now number 5th, back is. Back is what? What is the word back? Back is noun, verb, adjective or adverb. So the back word is an adverb. D is the correct answer. So friends, this is the explanation of the MCQ. I hope you understand about this MCQ, and this MCQ you must write in your notebook of unit 10. I hope you understand about this MCQs. Thank you for listening me.